Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can read by the title, it is about how can you set up Google Ad account step by step. So what is Google Ads? Google Ads will help you in many ways. It has a lot of features when it comes to creating ads. You can promote your website, you can promote your YouTube channel. That's where I'm coming to. You can promote any kind of link. You can, create brand awareness, a lot of stuff. So I'll teach you what is Google Ads and how can you set up a Google Ad account and get a 2000 rupees credit. So let's get started. So what is Google Ads? Google Ads, whenever you search on Google, if you put any keywords, you're searching for online shopping, anything. So you might have seen some ads coming on top 2 and bottom 2 mostly. So those ads are done from Google, and companies do it for to generate website traffic or generate leads for their businesses, right? So how it works, whenever someone clicks on that ad, Google gets paid for it. Also businesses are getting traffic to their website, right? So that's how it works. So Google has 3 types of ads. One is Google search ad, which I just spoke to you about. Second one is display ad. Display ad is the banner ads which you see on some website. You're reading a blog or something and you get besides the blog and it will be some banner. There are few platforms, mostly the most popular one is Google. So whenever you click on that, it will take you to some website or a landing page. So it is driving traffic, as well as whenever you click on that ad, Google gets paid for it. Okay, so that's how it works. And the third one is YouTube ads. I mean doing YouTube promotion, promoting your channel, promoting your videos via Google Ads. Okay, so these are the 3 types of ads you can do. There are many more in terms of these are the main 3 types of ads people usually do. Okay, so today I'll be teaching you how to set up a Google ad. You just need a Google account. I mean the Gmail account, everybody has it. So from that you can create a Google ad account. So let's get started.
So to get started, you need a Google account. So I believe everybody has a Google account. So to create a Google AdWords account, you need a Google account. So everybody has a Google account right now, I hope. Yeah. So we'll just go to google.com. We'll just type in Google Ads 2000 credit. So to get this credit of 2000, it is very important when you start with Google Ads. So can you see the first link? You can go by the first link. So this is the landing page. So we need to have our own email. So what we'll do, we'll just put our email over here, which is not yet registered with Google AdWords. So it should be a new account which is not registered with Google account. Let's click on offer code. So your coupon code has been sent to your email address. So we'll just open up our email account, our Gmail account. Okay, so as you can see, I have got a mail from Google Ads. We'll click on that, and here's the coupon code. So we'll just click on redeem add credit. It will take you to your own account. So you have to sign up from your own account. It will give you an option. So click on, as I have logged in from this account, so I'll click on that. Okay, so once you sign up, so this is how it looks like. So you can see get more calls. So what is your main advertising goal? So here you don't have to set up anything, because here we are applying the code. So we have to ignore all these 3 and switch to expert mode. After this, so you'll get few options. What is your goal? So right now we don't have to set any goal. We have to create an account without a campaign. So we'll click on that. So this is just basic information about your business. So if you're an individual, you can just click on India, which country you belong to, what is the time zone, and what is the currency. Of course, this is very important. Please don't change this. If it is showing Indian rupees, don't do it dollars, because then once you do that, you cannot change it. You have to switch. You have to create a new AdWords account. So make sure you just put your current country's currency, and we'll just click on submit. Voila, it's done. So you have all set. Now what we will do is we'll click on explore your account. So this is the dashboard. So you have to, if you want to start with your new campaign, you can start from here. However, first of all, we have to apply that code, if you remember. So that is what this video is about. So we'll click on tools and settings. We'll click on billing and payments. So we have to do the payment setup. Put your country India, INR as the default one. So account type will be individual, because if you're doing it for your company, so you can do it as organization. If you're doing it for your own business and you don't have a firm or anything, individual works really well. So you will get an option of payment mode. So there are like few options: net banking, GPay, money transfer. GPay is what is much more convenient. I really like GPay, or else you can link your Paytm wallet here. Then once that is done, automatic and manual. I prefer manual, because manual is whenever you want to put it, will you will put the amount. Automatic is how, if you put an amount of, like for example 2000 rupees, it will deduct automatically. You don't have a control over it. Google has the control over it, right? So manual is what I prefer. You just have to put your card details, and the minimum amount to put your to start your ad account is 500. I know it's kinda expensive, but it gives really good results, so why not? Okay, so I'll just put my Paytm wallet number. So you have to put all the address and everything, and then click on I agree and submit. So this is how it is. So once that is done, so we will just click on the billing, and then we'll click on the promotions. Once that is done, this will be the display. This won't be yours because it will be like very new. This I have already used, so I'm just showing this as an example for you guys. So we'll just click on plus, add the code which we have already copied. So this is the code. We'll just go here and copy this. Okay, and we'll just paste it over here. I'm so sorry, there was some other link copied. Okay, so we'll just put on submit. Once this is done, it is showing this way because mine has already been used. So once you click here, once you click submit, then it will happen like this, like my previous one. So if you see data not yet available, so here I have already added the code on 26th May. Okay, so I had actually given this 2000 ka credit. I had got the amount. So that's about it for how you can avail the coupon code. And in my next video, I'll show how to start with ad campaigns for YouTube, for your website and all that. So it is quite good, very targeting, good results. The cost of result is quite very less as compared to other mode. And this is my actually ad spend, and you can make if you want to do, as I have clicked already on the manual payment, so I can make a payment over here and click on the payment mode, and I can just add the money. So manually every month I put some money to just for the promotion's sake. And that's about it, guys. So in my next video I'll be showing you how to create an ad on Google Ads, so stay tuned for that. there are a lot of options. So you can actually do keyword planning for your ads and stuff. I'll go in depth in my next video. Here I'm just showing what all tools are there on Google Ads. So there is Google Analytics. You can connect your Google Analytics. Also, I'll do one more thing. I'll just click on linked account. So what is linked account? Linked account is wherever you have your business account, for example, Facebook, for example, on YouTube, your Google Ads, everything can be linked. Google Analytics can be linked over here. So you have to link before starting off with any ads. So today only you will do it. If you're doing with me, you're setting up your Google account with me. So just once you do all this payment method and your coupon code is applied for a month, and you'll get 2,000 rupees. You just put 2,000 rupees, guys, and in a month you will get a refund or a credit of 2,000. So you can spend more, like in total 4,000 ad spent, which is quite cool. So can you see? So Google Analytics, you can add your YouTube. So I've already added my YouTube channel. So you just have to click on details, and it's quite simple. You can just click on the plus button, add your YouTube channel, how many it is. If you have 3, 4, you can add all of that here. So this will help in view counts. कितना views हुआ है आपके YouTube channel में. It will help in remarketing whenever people have come to your video, they have liked your video, and then you want those people only on your next videos. You can get that data as remarketing, and you can remarket to them. It's quite cool, right? So engagement as well, who are engaging on your video. So that's about it. Stay tuned for my next video. I'll start with ads on Google AdWords. So stay tuned.
That's about it. Hope you guys have liked this video and hope you have learned something new today. Also, if you have any question regarding to Google Ads, you can put it in the comment section below. Also, please do subscribe to this channel. It would help me a lot. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.